Okay guys, if you can remember, I tried to get rid of this dried on, burned on grease on this pot and it wasn't much success. So I said I'm going to try again and see if I can get it off. So this time I'm going to try this oven spray cleaner, and I'm going to leave it on there for a few hours and see if there is any difference. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it on there for about an hour, check on it and then come back. So yeah, let's see if I can get rid of this grease, burned on grease on my pot. Okay, I'm gonna spray it on. So that's sprayed on, and I'm going to cover it with a bag. So I've just put it inside a bag. Okay guys, so it's been about 11 hours because I had to pop out and do some stuff, so I just remember about it, and I'm just gonna see the same time I'm videoing it how it looks as well. And because it's chemical, I'm wearing gloves, so let's see how it looks, both of us all of us at the same time. So what do you guys think? I don't know, let's just wash it off. Let's wash it off and see. Let's use a sponge and rub it off. So it's definitely worked much better than the baking soda and vinegar. The thing is, I think it's actually removed some of the steel on the pot, so I think it's pretty strong where it's removed some of the steel, but it's much better. As I said, these are not coming off. These are like stubborn grease that's not lifting. But considering how it was before, I would say it's better. I'd say it's much better, but I would say like here where it's lifted the stainless steel, where it's burned it out. So although it worked, it could be because it would have probably not done this if I didn't leave it on that long. I think it would have worked fine for like 30 minutes or what, 30 minutes, probably an hour. But because I had to pop out, totally forgot about it, just remembered it. It's like probably like 11 o'clock right now, so 11 o'clock at night right now. So I've just remembered it, and I did this from in the morning, from about 10 o'clock in the morning. So to be honest, it's been like 12 hours. 11 hours or so, 11 hours or so since I left it on, 10 hours. So yeah, I say it worked. I would say it's a thumbs up. It's a good one. So let me know what you guys think. But as I said, it's definitely lifted some of the grease, but it's also lifted some of the stainless steel on there. So yeah, it's a maybe. So let me know. Remember guys, like, share and comment, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you guys think, and I see if I know any more other acts, tips and acts that I can upload with you guys, to you guys. So yeah, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, enjoy.